All right, so we got a little bit of a change up here. It's Thursday. You guys had a field trip today. We still have a quiz tomorrow on Friday for math. So I'm going to go over the quiz with you. You're going to see this. It's going to be in your homework. It'll be in your mailbox tomorrow. Or actually, I take that back. This was in your mailbox. Oh, I put it in there. We'll say Thursday. You probably took it home with you. This should just Thursday. You should take it out of your mailbox today. It should come home with you. If not, lucky for you, Mr. Shorts gotcha as usual. We're going to go over it, all right? Because there's going to be a quiz tomorrow. This is our Topic A quiz. Okay, it's the stuff we've been doing the last 3 days. You guys got this. This won't be that hard for you. We'll go over how to do it. I won't do all of it for you, but I'll help you out with a lot of it. We'll get everything set up. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. We can do this. Okay? All right. Fill in the blanks to find 2 times 90. 2 times 90. We have 2 times 9. Remember, we're going to equal, so we'll balance on the sides. We've done this before. 2 times 90 equals 2 times blank times 10. Well, I know 90 is 9 times 10. So now if I'm breaking this out for the next one, I'm going to do 2 times 9 and bring that down. And then I'll take that answer I get and I'll multiply that answer times 10 and get my answer here. I'm not going to do it all for you, but that should get you a good start. All right. Which expressions are equal to 240? Choose the 3 correct answers. So there's 3 of these that if you multiply them out will equal 240. Okay? 3 of them that equal 240. I'll do the first 2 with you to show you how you should do it to find all 3. Remember, you need 3. It says 3 right there. This one, word 3. Okay? So let's do 2 times 4 times 10. I'm going to put those parentheses out there. I like those. I'll keep me organized. So that shows there. All right. So I know I broke it down. I'm going to go a little further. I can kind of do this with my head. But now my next one, I'm going to get rid of those parentheses because I know I already broke it down. So 2 times 4 equals 2 times 4 equals 8. Now I got to do that times 10. So that's going to equal 80. Well, 80 is definitely not 240, so not that one. All right. 4 times 6 times 10. This one's broken out for me. Nice. I'm going to do this one. All right. I'm going to do 4 times 6 first. So 4 times 6. Well, if I add 6 and 6, that would be 2 times. That's 12. So if I had 6 and 6 again, that's 12. So I have 12 plus 12, which 12 plus 12, that's 24. That's the same as 4 times 6. 24. I have to multiply that by 10. So 24 times 10 is 205. There we go. There's my first one. That's how you guys need to break these down. If you want to draw it out, draw it out. Keep going. You got to find 3 more. I gave you one freebie. All right. It says divide 450 by 9. 9. So you need 9 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's my 9 groups. Now I want to count by tens and start filling my group, right? Because there's a 0, which means there's got to be a 10 in there. Okay? So let's start counting by tens so we get to 450. So we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Oh, you're on your own to figure out the rest of these. This was 90. You need to count to get to 450. Keep going, guys. You got this one on your own, and I will turn the page over and help you on the back. All right, on the back, we have Robin draws a rectangle that has a width of 7 centimeters and a length of 30 centimeters. What is the area for Robin's rectangle? So let's draw a rectangle. Let's not be lazy. All right. It has a width of 7. Remember, width is up and down on this. Really, it would be going deep, but we can't see deep in the 2D drawing. So we're going this way. And length is across the top. So length is across the top is that. All right. That's our problem we have to solve. So 7 times 30 equals blank. Remember, they already have the centimeters squared down there for us. You don't have to figure it out. If you want to break this down more, break it down that way. do this part in the parentheses first, then solve the other part and put that number down here, right there. All right, last one for our homework. A rectangular swimming, this doesn't really look like a swimming pool. They're going to tell us it is, though. It's a normal rectangle to me. So you got to use your imagination. A rectangular swimming pool has an area of 160 square meters. The width of the pool is 8 meters. We see that right here. The length of the pool, we got to find out what is the length of the pool. We have a question mark there. We know this is 160. All right. We have possible answers down here. They're helping us out. They're helping us out. So now we need to figure out what 160 divided by 8 equals. Can you do this backwards? Would that help you? If you figure out 8 times what equals 160? Do I draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 circles and start counting by tens, going 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Oh, if I kept going until I got to 160, that would tell me. And then I got to remember these are worth 10. So which one over here is it? Hey guys, I hope this helped you out. We are going to have this quiz tomorrow. It might be on paper. It might be on the computer because to be honest with you, if it's on the computer, it checks it for me. And guys, I got a lot of stuff to check. I know it's not always the most fun doing it on the computer. And I know parents, if you're listening, I know sometimes it's not the best because like, what's my kid doing? Remember, I send a paper home when they have their math quizzes. That paper comes home like this. It has the directions on here, how you can go in and look at your kid's math assignment. So it makes it easier for me. You can actually see the answer. They don't accidentally lose their math test somehow and say, oh, I don't know, Mom. I don't know, Dad. I don't know where my math test went. It must have flown away or got eaten by that bird that likes to eat my homework every day. All right, guys, don't worry. Don't stress on this. Tomorrow is Friday, last day for the week. See you guys then.